Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Rozeena?
Walaikum salam. I'm quite fine.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Rozeena and I am from OKARA, Kent. I have done my master's from Agriculture University, Hyderabad.
How was your experience with computer-based test PTE over IELTS?
My overall experience with PTE is quite good. The reason is I found it comfortable for me to handle it because it was totally computer based and I find myself quite easy to handle computers.
Okay, so you have achieved Pearson distinction of 87 score. How do you feel it?
If I tell you seriously, I'm quite happy. And the reason behind this happiness is the teachers, the great teachers I found at Skylark. So the overall happiness level is quite high.
Why you choose Skylark Institute for your preparation?
As far as Skylark is concerned, I heard it from my elder brother because many of children from my own area have succeeded from this institute. They have applied for IELTS as well as a few students were going through for PTE. So the reference was my elder brother and my experience, my own experience about the Skylark Institute was quite good.
Congratulations, Rozeena, because you got distinction. So Skylark want to present the certificate and bouquet for the distinction.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.